Now let's create a new Java Service class to handle the submission of the edit customer profile form. Create a new Java Service here. Update customer profile Servlet. Next, edit the URL mapping is / update underscore profile. Okay. Next, and we implement only the do post method, so uncheck do get here. Finish. And now it is better to stop the server because we are going to make more changes. Just delete the unnecessary comments. And in the do post method, we create a new instance of the customer services class. Customer services. Update customer